What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Chiliz, which has been performing quite well actually over the last couple of days. In the last 24 hours itself, it has gone up 10% in value. It may not seem like a lot compared to other cryptos which are doing very well. However, it's a slow and steady gain, which is exactly what we want to see. We want it to go up in value, but a slow and steady pace, which is exactly what Chiliz has been doing. Currently trading at 25 cents. So can this be one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest into right now? Because as you can see, more or less, it has been quite consistently been going up in value for the last 5-6 days. As you can see, started from about 18 cents. Slow and steady increase is what we have been seeing. Is this going to carry on for the rest of November and December? Is it going to drop back down? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at, is it time to buy the crypto right now? Is it too late? Should you buy it? Should you sell it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, is it a good investment, especially with 2023 just around the corner? Should you invest into it, and so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and Chiliz has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list. We do have a few other cryptocurrencies as well, but obviously today's focus is on Chiliz. Over the last hour, 2% down. As normal, guys, it is going to be up and down. It's not going to be literally every half an hour go up in value. It is going to have its dips, but overall, as you can see, a slow and steady increase, a very good positive incline. Over the last week, 15% up, and over the month 37% up. Yes, we did see a major drop here on the 8th of November, not just on Chiliz, but most cryptos out there did take a major crash. And as you can see, it hasn't even recovered, because before the crash it was trading at 31 cents, and right now it's only trading at 25 cents, meaning it is still on its way to recovery. So yeah, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 32% in the last 24 hours, making it $722 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Chiliz. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently, a lot of hype around it. And as you can see, we've got a 70% buy against 30% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, we're going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Chiliz at 23 cents here in purple. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 25 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we do have the blue line looking a little bit bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Yes, I know it looks like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, it is just about slanting towards the negative direction, and the orange line, is clearly going in a positive direction. But again, they're not looking too steep at all. They are just about going in a bullish and bearish direction. So essentially, we've got both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect on Chiliz over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Chiliz to be trading around the 25 cents target, is what my predictions are. Of course, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks in between, up and down, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the neutral side. So yeah, fluctuating around its current price range. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? So let's say towards the end of next week, again we can see the blue and the orange line. It's still going up in value, going in a bullish direction, not looking too steep at all. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction. So again, a minimal increase in value is what we should expect from Chiliz over the coming days. Again, yes, we are going to have red days, we are going to have green days. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome, as we have seen over the last few days, has been positive, and it should be carrying on this way as well. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should be heading towards around the 30 cents target is what my predictions are. So trading around that current that price range of 30 cents, we should be at towards the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Once again, blue and orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, not looking too steep, just about slanting towards a positive direction, which is exactly what we want to see. Otherwise, it won't be realistic. So again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Chiliz over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late December, early January. Yes, we are going into 2023 now. An overall increase in value is what I'm expecting. Trading around 35 to 37 cents by end of this year, early next year is where I'm expecting Chiliz to be trading at. But again, this all depends on how the crypto market performs, with major crashes, major drops, major increases in value as well, up and down. But again, the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the positive side. However, if there are any major changes I come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Chiliz, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, this is very interesting, guys. We are currently trading in the green zone, but we have been fluctuating in and out the green zone since, let's have a look here, so for the last 4 months, 3-4 months, we've been in and out the green zone, dropping into the red zone, picking into the green, red, green, red, green, red. Right now we are in the green zone. I'm expecting us to increase in value again up to about 30 cents, like I mentioned before. However, it is likely we may at some point drop into the red zone over the coming weeks and then jump back up into the green zone. So again, it's been very volatile over the last 3-4 months, and I'm expecting it to carry on this way as well. So guys, for those of you who are looking to buy, I would wait for it to drop down into the red zone, because it's very likely that it will, because as you can see the pattern here, it's been very volatile, and personally I'm expecting it to drop into the red zone. So I would personally invest into the crypto whenever it drops back down into the red zone, as after that it's very likely it will head back up into the green zone. But yeah, if you guys want regular updates on Chiliz, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated even on a daily basis. Let me know if you guys want that on this channel, and also let me know your predictions and your expectations on Chiliz, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments on Chiliz. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick update on CHZ like you guys have requested. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also before you click off the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 100k as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.